Your mom?
What's going on, guys? It's your boy RaceCarRichie. I'm here with Brian. Say hi, Brian.
Hi.
So today's the day. We're getting Brian's car tuned on the dyno, so it's gonna be pretty sweet. We have to head over to my storage unit to take his wheels off of my car to put them back on his, because we don't want to dyno them on slicks because the rollers can actually mess up the slicks. So enjoy the video and
Your mom?
In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless, sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious, I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed, I hate being open, I hate being broken, I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion, anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion, I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken, I can't move on till I let go, I feel so lost, never at home, need to be strong, every breath hold, cause I can't move on till I let go, I can't move.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
what? What, dude? Dude, what? What?
There's a smudge.
What? What is it?
Oh, it's better.
Oh, what are you doing? We gotta go to the dyno.
There was a smudge.
Hey Brian, what are you doing? 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 You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. Stop.
Until I let go, I feel so lost, never at home.
Brian, what are you doing? Hey Brian, now what are you doing? Hey Brian, what are you doing? Hey Brian, now what are you doing? Now what are you doing? Brian, what are you doing? What are you doing now, Brian? Brian, what are you doing? Hey Brian, what are you doing now?
Your mom?
Your mom?
Your mom?
I can't move on till I let go.
Brian, where you go? Brian, wait. Brian. Brian, wait. Brian, wait. What are you doing?
I forgot about you.
We're here. Dyno time. Ooh, Audi. Whistling Diesel. So we're here at Chameleon Tuning. This is where Brian's gonna go ahead and get his car tuned at. We're using their dyno, and Chris from Cajun Tune is gonna be tuning it.
I'm just lost to feel, I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel, cause this drive it kills, and it gives me chills, a nice road.
Alright, so right now he's working on
Your mom?
the idle tune, as well as setting up the throttle position for the drive-by-wire throttle body that Brian got. Alright, so that was the first time they just started moving the car on the dyno. They're just going to straighten it out now. And it needs an alignment. Brian never did an alignment to it. So that's why the wheel looks all cockeyed. We're just gonna chew up the tires. Alright guys, so that was the first real pull. The other pulls were basically just kind of dialing in the idle and calibrating some stuff. So that was the first real pull, and we got 536 on the first pull. So we're shooting for like 700. So let's see if we can do it. Ryan, how much power are we gonna make today?
All of it.
So the last pull he spun, so they have to put some glue down on the rollers and on the tires. That way we can stick to the dyno a little better. So what boost level are we seeing right now?
That was 35 pounds.
That was 35. Is that where you're gonna leave it?
No, I'll go a little more.
All the way, baby. Moon tune.
All of it.
$717. Let's go, 718. All right, guys, we are all done. We're packing up now. We're gonna take the car off the dyno and shoot out, but this is Brian's highest horsepower. It's 719, 40 pounds of boost. So we're gonna hope that we're gonna hit 150 miles an hour. Gonna need a parachute. Till next time, guys, I'm RaceCarRichie. Subscribe. That'd be kind of cool. Hey, Brian, what are you doing?
Taking the car off the trailer
Because?
because we made some power.
How much power?
All of it.
And then all on top end.
Yeah, the blue is the old.
Yeah. So blue made like, let's say 244. And now at the same spot, it's making 319 horsepower.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's the manifold and taking the filter off the turbo.
Yep. And then top end, 652, 708.
That's crazy. Just from those three things you changed.
Yep.
And what was the boost level?
Thinking like 39.7 P.
39, 40. We'll call it 40.
Yeah. Round it out.
On an HX40, 2150cc injectors, and I would call that E80. Just E80.
Yep. That's good.
So final number is 718, 719, I think I saw once.
Yeah, 718, 581.
It's not bad.
Yeah, picked up more torque too.
And that little tiny turbo too.
Yeah.
The little turbo that could, man.
Yeah, they make a big difference.
Where are the injectors at? Still room on those.
You still have
injectors,
room on,
right? Yeah.
Yeah. I'd say you still have enough for another 100 horsepower out of them.
Okay.
Wow.
Well, also with the pump, you're feeding so much more volume now that the pressure's making injectors physically bigger.
Yeah, like that's why I said I'm gonna get the biggest pump I can get and not to worry about a pump again.
Without being mechanical.
Yeah, without being mechanical.
Yeah. I went mechanical, so I have
I
a
like
lot of.
mechanical pumps.
I have all the fuel.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a big difference.
Yeah. Nice.
Let's see, I made one pull basically with the same boost last time. Oh, I made one at 35 pounds. Even at 35 pounds, it made more on the top end. I wasn't pushing it yet until like I was getting the boost on target. But even then, the red line did spool up even quicker down low, boost for boost.
Anything that's got a lot to do with that new manifold, right?
Yeah, it helps
Yeah.
a lot.
That manifold is probably where all the power
The only
came
reason
from.
I bought it was because they made an adapter plate for that throttle body.
Yeah, it worked. Well, that's what it do for all the standalone.
Yep,
But like I don't want to bring it someplace to get it welded. I'm like, let me just buy a new manifold.
Yep.
that's it.
Had a couple perks, I guess.
See a big difference fuel does. I didn't even touch the boost. All I did was clean up the fuel, and then it picked up all around.
And with that shift knob, do I just set it for like a certain time frame? Like I think I
That's
have
all driver, like based on how you
fast
grab it, how you move it. Because everyone shifts different. Everyone grabs different. Like me, someone can be like this with just their finger, and that's what
And
they need.
touch it, yeah.
Some people need it where it feels their whole hand while they're pulling it.
a lot of trial and error.
Yeah, that's trial and error at the track.
Just what Brian needs, more trial and error.
And what about the two-step?
I had to turn it off because the anti-lag and everything, you have to have a switch for it wired to it.
Oh, you do?
If
Okay.
not, it's always on. The first that I did, it hit the anti-lag and
Yeah.
it ran. I was like, what the fuck? I'm like, is there a box somewhere hiding I don't know about?
So I might be able to put that with the CAN bus maybe.
Yep. And then you can
Just
actually
hook up a
set your
switch
wire
and...
Well, I don't even need the hook. No wiring. No more wiring. CAN bus.
Yeah.
Push a button.
Oh, that's right, yep.
Yep.
Coming tomorrow.
That's it.
Anti-lag on and off, and then send him a file. He'll send you a link back on some settings, and that's it.
Harrison's getting ordered tonight.
Oh, you're definitely going to hit 150 now.
Yeah.
Got an extra 50, 40, 50
on top
horsepower.
of 5,500 plus.
Yeah,
You have like an extra 50, 60 horsepower.
which is probably enough to get you maybe to that 150 mark.
Yeah.
4 miles an hour is a big difference up top, Brian. That could be another 100 horsepower to go that fast. It's
Well,
stupid.
The way you are now and how much power you're making, you could be an easy 970 car. And traveling like 150. So back to that, this is the
Got some feet work to do, Brian.
And alignment next week.
Yes.
I know.
Yeah.
That's the biggest thing.
I
Front
know.
drive cars, alright, yeah. Old drive cars definitely need alignment. Like real drive, I don't care.
Like I knew I needed it. It's
Yeah.
just I'm like I think it was. I thought it was good enough for the dyno.
And that was
It
it.
had to be,
Yeah.
you know, pin straight.
I was gonna bring it before, but I'm like I don't know if it's gonna like stall while I'm bringing it there, like on the trail. I don't know. I got nervous.
I think you'll be all right.
But yeah, it's definitely scheduling for next week.
Yeah, technically, it doesn't really make any more power past like 7,000, but it pulls it all the way until like almost 7,600,
And then it falls off, yeah.
It's just the turbo. If you want to make more top end, you have to get like a 68 millimeter blade, a 72, but then you're losing all your down low.
Yeah.
Which it is a stick shift car, so you might not really, it doesn't matter.
It's a big problem.
For me, it is.
You have to balance out size,
Yep.
how it spools up with your converter.
Yep.
And
Oh,
it's
trust
a
me, I
two-step
know,
for like
I'm-
7 grand.
Yep. Yeah, I was launching at like 68, and it
Yep.
was doing pretty good. I probably could have brought it up a little higher with that clutch.
Got to ride through that clutch, man. That's where all the power
first time we
is.
tried it, I snapped the rear axle. But
Yeah.
now I have drive shaft on stage 5, so. Your mom?
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety